Hello everyone, it's Natalia Enriquez here, and today I will be introducing you to perimeter and area. Let's start with perimeter. In case you didn't know, perimeter is the total distance around a figure. For example, say you have a garden and you want to put fencing around it, you would use the perimeter to figure out how much fencing you need in order to cover the whole garden. Let's start off with a problem like this. We have four sides, H, I, J, K, and they all have right angles. HI and KJ are equal to each other, as well as HK and IJ are equal to each other. The side of HI is 9 and the side of IJ is 7. As I stated earlier, HI and KJ are equal to each other, so that would make both of their sides 9. And IJ and HK are also equal to each other, so that would make both of their sides 7. In order to find perimeter, you have to add all the sides up, so the equation would be side plus side plus side plus side equals perimeter. Using the equation of adding all the sides to get the perimeter, we can use the sides we have on our figure, so 9 plus 7 plus 7, and that gives us 32. So the perimeter is 32. So here we have another example, but in this case it's a square, and we have the perimeter. So what we're going to do here is try to find the sides. Since this figure is a square, we know that all the sides are equal, and side plus side plus side plus side gives us perimeter. These four sides are also equal to 4s, and we know our perimeter is 48, so 4s equals 48, and we can divide by 4 on both sides, and one of the sides is 12, which makes every single side on the square 12. Using this information, we can say that this is a 12 by 12 square. Now on to area. Area is the size of the interior of a figure. So let's say we have this square right here, and it's 1 by 1. That makes it a 1 by 1 square. And let's say we have this bigger shape right here. To find area, we want to see how many of these 1 by 1s can fit into a bigger shape like this. Here is the example we used from earlier to find perimeter, and we're going to use this to find the area. So the area of HIJK is equivalent to how many 1 by 1s we can fit into the shape. Okay, so there's 9 squares going this way. Gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then 7 going this way, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you were to add all these squares up, you would get an area of 63, or you could just use common multiplication, and because there are 7 squares going this way and 9 squares going this way, you know that there's 9 columns of 7 squares, and you would multiply that and get 63. We could also solve this problem by using the equation of area, which is area equals base times height. And we know the base is 9, we know the height is 7, and 9 times 7 is 63, so that would give us an area of 63. We can also find the area of a square. So let's say we have the square right here. We know that all of the sides are equal, and let's name this A, B, C, D. Let's say one of the sides is 4. This lets us know that every single side is 4 because all the sides to a square are equal. What we would do is multiply the base times the height, because the equation for area is base times height, and that gives us the area of 16. This is also where the term squaring comes in, because we are multiplying these two numbers and we get 16. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed.